The haunted Bhangarh Fort. The next one is about a haunted fort. Yes, you heard it right. But why has this fort turned into a haunted fort? Is there something ominous inside the fort? Located in the Alwar district of Rajasthan, near the Jaipur city, lies the Bhangarh Fort, which is considered to be the most haunted place in India. Shrouded in several myths and legends with tales of curses and tragic events contributing to its haunted reputation, the Bhangarh Fort is not to be visited after sunset or before sunrise as per the restrictions imposed by the Archaeological Survey of India or the ASI. According to one of the legends, the fort was built by King Madho Singh, who was able to obtain permission from an ascetic named Bala Nath upon the condition that the shadow of the fort would never reach his dwelling. This warning was ignored by the king's descendant, and the subsequent modifications was made to the fort cast a shadow over the ascetic's abode, supposedly dooming the entire fort and its surrounding landscape. Another folklore speaks of a tantric who tried to bewitch Princess Ratnavati of Bhangarh into falling in love with him, but failed to do so. Before his death, he placed a curse upon the palace, stating that no soul would ever find peace on this land. Visitors to Bhangarh Fort have reported experiencing strange occurrences such as disembodied voices, unaccounted footsteps, an overwhelming sense of fear and unease, and even apparitions, adding to the menacing and eerie atmosphere of the landscape. Have you ever felt an overwhelming sense of fear or heard weird voices? Chand Bauri in Abhaneri. Did you know Jaipur is near one of the world's deepest step wells? Yes, the ancient step well of Chand Bauri is located in the village of Abhaneri near Jaipur. Built during the 9th century by King Chanda of the Nikumb dynasty, it is one of the deepest and the largest step wells in India. Known for its impressive geometric design and an intricate carving, the step well consists of 3,500 narrow steps arranged in a precise and symmetrical pattern leading down to the water level. The Bauri served as a community gathering place, a groundwater source, and a reservoir during periods of drought. It also had great religious significance with temples dedicated to Hindu deities located on its premises. Local folklore surrounding Chand Bauri suggests that the step well is haunted with tales claiming that it was constructed overnight, a feat deemed impossible by many. Legend has it that this extraordinary task was assigned to a jinn, imbuing the story with a supernatural element. Adding to the mystique, locals recount that they have never used the same staircase twice while navigating the stairwell, adding more to the supernatural connections of this place. The Bauri, however, is a must-visit destination on the Jaipur journey for travelers, especially the history buffs and architecture enthusiasts. Home to Royal Hotels and Resorts. The next is about the Royal Hotels and Resorts. Yes, Jaipur is home to some of the best royal hotels and resorts in India. Can you imagine living like a king or a queen? Everyone likes to lead such a life, right? Like a king and a queen, isn't it? So, to experience this, Jaipur is the perfect one. Beyond the various historical forts and majestic palaces, the Pink City is also home to several grand royal hotels and resorts that offer a luxurious and regal experience to visitors. One of the first and foremost examples is the Raj Mahal Palace in Amer near Jaipur, which offers a luxurious presidential suite with a nightly room rate of $50,000. Renowned as one of the largest suites in all of Asia, it features 4 floors of opulent luxury, expansive rooms with gold and silver furnishings, luxurious lounge seating, vast lawn areas, vintage decorations, and much more. The architecture of the palace as well as the grand services which are provided exude the utmost quality and extravagance imaginable. Similarly, the Ram Bagh Palace, which was once the residence of the Maharaja of Jaipur and is now a Taj Heritage Hotel, promises an unparalleled royal stay with exquisite architecture, lavish interiors, and world-class amenities. Guests can indulge in experiences such as traditional Rajasthani cuisine, elephant rides, and spa treatments fit for a grandiose hotel experience. Other notable mentions include the Oberoi Rajvilas, Jai Mahal Palace, Trident Resort, and so on, contributing their fair share to the royal charm and grandeur of the city of Jaipur. Jaipur, gemstone capital of the world. Let's move to another interesting fact. As we all know, in India, gemstones have been used for centuries for many purposes. And 9 out of 10 people use gemstones in their life. Did you know Jaipur is renowned for its gemstones? But what makes Jaipur's gemstones stand out globally? Okay, let's see. Jaipur is often referred to as the gemstone capital of the world. The city's rulers, who were patrons of the arts, played a significant role in promoting gemstone cutting and polishing techniques in the region, cultivating a long-standing tradition of gemstone craftsmanship. The city is home to skilled artisans who specialize in cutting and polishing gemstones to perfection, as well as numerous workshops and factories where gemstones are transformed from rough stones into exquisite works of art. From traditional stones like emeralds, rubies, sapphires, and diamonds to semi-precious stones such as amethyst, citrine, garnet, topaz, and turquoise. The gemstone industry of Jaipur offers everything. Even unique and rare gems like tanzanite, spinel, and tourmaline are traded in the markets of Jaipur. Furthermore, the exceptional quality and competitive prices offered for both raw gemstones and finished jewelry make the Jaipur gemstone market stand out. This makes the city an ideal destination for small-scale buyers and collectors, jewelry designers, and gemstone enthusiasts who are looking to purchase high-quality gemstones at reasonable prices. World's largest free literary festival, Jaipur Literature Festival. Let's move to the world's largest free literary festival. Did you know Jaipur hosts the world's largest free literary festival? Yes, the annual literary event of Jaipur Literature Festival was founded in 2006 by the authors Namita Gokhale and William Dalrymple, along with other organizers. Since its inception, the festival has grown exponentially in size, scope, and popularity, and is now considered to be the world's largest free literary festival. At its core, the event aims to honor literature, stimulate intellectual discourse, and facilitate cultural exchange. Renowned authors, poets, scholars, journalists, and artists from diverse backgrounds attend the festival to partake in panel discussions, poetry sessions, book readings, film screenings, cultural debates, and performances spanning various subjects and genres, thereby fostering a vibrant exchange of ideas and experiences on a global scale. Beyond its literary offerings, the Jaipur Literature Festival has had a significant impact on the cultural landscape of Jaipur and India as a whole. It has inspired similar literary festivals in other cities and regions, and garnered international acclaim for its vibrant atmosphere, diverse programming, and inclusive ethos. Home to the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. And finally, Jaipur serves as a home to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Yes, contributing to Jaipur's rich heritage, the historical landmarks of Amer Fort and Jantar Mantar have rightfully earned the status of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The magnificent Amer or Amber Fort, located atop a hill overlooking the Mauta Lake, was built in the 16th century by Raja Man Singh I. It is renowned for its impressive architecture, blending the Rajput and Mughal influences. The fort features grand halls, the stunning Sheesh Mahal or the Mirror Palace, intricate carvings, majestic gateways, and panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Visitors can explore the fort's elaborate courtyards, gardens, and royal chambers to fully experience the grandeur of Rajasthan's royal past. The other UNESCO heritage site of Jantar Mantar is considered to be one of the world's largest astronomical observatories. Built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in the early 18th century, it consists of a collection of architectural instruments designed to measure time, track celestial bodies, and observe astronomical phenomena. With massive instruments such as the Samrat Yantra, Jai Prakash Yantra, and Ram Yantra, the Jantar Mantar is a remarkable example of scientific innovation and precision engineering. The site offers the visitors a fascinating glimpse into the advancements made in astronomy during the medieval period. Both of these landmarks in Jaipur reflect their significance as invaluable treasures of human civilization, drawing tourists and history enthusiasts from around the world to marvel at their beauty and significance. So, there you have it, friends. Hope you enjoyed it very much and received interesting and valuable information about the hidden facts about Jaipur. Thank you for joining us on this journey through. So, which of these secrets fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing explorations. Until next time, keep traveling and keep discovering.